Hello guys and welcome to Simply Me. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can use ChatGPT to its full potential. These 10 tips and tricks will change your life forever. And remember, ChatGPT 3.5 is absolutely free. So whatever you're going to learn is going to be absolutely free. So, for tip number one is that ChatGPT can summarize text. For example, there's a really long article, and I don't want to read it. Now look, it's just so long. So I will just copy the link over here, copy it, and then head back over to ChatGPT and say summarize it. If you want the specific number of lines or words, you can, but I prefer just summarizing it. Summarize it. Paste the link and click enter. So it has summarized it into some key points and into very short paragraph. Okay. If you want to summarize it further, or you just want to set piece of lines, you could. Tip number two. You can use ChatGPT to provide some health workouts or a diet. Just search, create a dieting plan for me to lose 5 kilograms or pounds. So it will give some general guidelines, and if you want it to be more detail, you could just search detail. Okay. Another interesting feaure of it is it will also tell you what you need to buy from a supermarket. If you just type what I need to buy from supermarket. Sorry, I got the spellings of by wrong and click enter. So it will provide a shopping list. So that is amazing feature of ChatGPT. So for number three is that ChatGPT can teach you something, just like a pretty normal teacher, but ChatGPT never gets tired and it has unlimited time if you're using the free one. So just search what you want to learn. And in this case, I want to learn the guitar. Teach me the guitar. So it will give you how you set up and holding it and how you can do it. So look, learn the basic chords. It give index finger, first fret, and second string, whatever. Also provide some links. Like if I search one a YouTube tutorial to learn or a course, it will recommend a video. So if the video is available to it easily, it will give you the link. So look at this video. You can watch this first lesson. It gives you a video. So ChatGPT can teach you something. Number four. In ChatGPT, you can ask ChatGPT to sound like someone. So I could search like from now on, speak like say uh Princess Anastasia. Princess Anastasia. I just use Natasha, but it will. So now it is speaking like a princess. Oh, my dearest friend, how delightful it is to converse. I can also make it sound like Abraham Lincoln. Sorry, like Abraham Lincoln. Or you could use some a kind of cowboyish person, okay? So for number five, if you want ChatGPT to, there's a certain situation or message you want help with, you could just enter a message you have previously written. So you just enter a message on WhatsApp that you previously did. It will analyze the kind of text you write and will reply back in the kind of manner you use. For example, you should write a Python code. You write a very big beginner one, okay? And you want it to be a bit advanced, but you want it to be in your style. So someone can't. You just can feed the Python code you wrote to it, and it will output the the advanced Python code in your style. Okay. Tip number six. You could use it to learn about a certain diagram. So just like summarize this diagram. I'll open the diagram. This is a diagram we want to summarize. And if you want to take a look at it, you can. This is a diagram. I will add a column. Yeah. So it summarized the diagram into some words. So you could have seen that there were parts they were labeled like cerebrum, cerebellum, brainstem. Like look over here, okay? So it just summarized it all, okay? If you want it to elaborate more, you could just type, okay? So for tip number seven, if there is a specific YouTube video you want to, learn about or summarize it, it is a really long podcast and you want to summarize it. If it is a very famous video, you just can type in the name, or if it has a link, right? Summarize video. You can also add mm, you know, the title. Okay, I will add the title because it cannot summarize it. I have copied the title. I will paste it. Sorry, this is not. Okay. Now it gives um the explanation. The video title Mr. Beast episode 1 first 10 minutes is the opening segment of a series. Blah blah blah. So it gives the summary of a YouTube video also. Tip number 8. You could also use Chat GPT to plan a vacation. Like plan a 1 month vacation to Hawaii. I think I got spellings wrong, but we'll fix it. So if you want a more detailed one, you could. So it's gonna show something like the week two and etc. Tip number 9. if we have some ingredients, for example, you have onions, onion, barley, pepper, milk, and honey. What could I make? Uh, you could cook some onion and barley soup. Okay, for you have some ingredients, but you can't figure out what to make. You just can easily search ChatGPT, and it will give you a perfect recipe. You could zoom into the recipe, like ask the quantity for the onion barley soup. Number 10, the last step. The thing is that each GPT is designed for something specific. So if you just head over to explore GPTs, you will see a lot of GPTs. These are great. But if you have the money or the time, you could use them. You have some limited searches that you could use, okay? If you wanted to do some coding, you could select a GPT that is suitable for coding, and you could also have like these categories: writing, productivity, research, blah blah blah. So chat GPT's function is pretty useful. So at the end of the tutorial, I'm gonna say experiment with ChatGPT. The more you experiment, the more you will learn. Because I did not know all these hacks from birth, okay? You need to experiment with ChatGPT and you will get all the features. You could discover new one. One I also didn't mention is it could also grade your task. You just have an essay, you could write it, and if your teacher did not mark your essay uh, and did not give comments, you could analyze the essay or anything you wrote with ChatGPT, or you could also use that as a tool for your homework. Remember, all these things I've learned them with experimenting with ChatGPT. The more you experiment, the more features you will discover. And if you know a feature that I don't know, comment in the description box below. Sorry, the comment box section below.